It's at it again. Look at this button over here. It's doing the rapid tick again. Not good.
Wait.
You're about to see it for yourself. Just watch. It might do it again. The other few buttons are just clicking. It's not doing it yet. But it also doesn't do the wait every couple seconds.
Wait.
That happens.
Wait. 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 Wait.
It's just like Cholla Boulevard and Tangerine. Except the only difference between this one and that one is it does the rapid tick instead of the street address or says walk sign is on. No, this one just completely flat out just says does the rapid tick.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Might be time
5,
to
4, 3.
might be time to buy and it might be time to reprogram all of the buttons to say the street instead of that stupid directional thing you call it.